The average person spends 13 hours a week on email. Wouldn't it be great if there was a tool that could save almost all that time for you, so you could spend that time with your family or watching a movie or something? Well, of course, there is. It's called Google Workspace Labs, and it's powered by AI. And today, we're focusing on the Gmail part of it. Anyone can join the waitlist for Google Workspace Labs, but once you're in, here's how to use it. Go to gmail.com and click Sign In. Then click Compose. On the row of buttons at the bottom of your Compose tab, you'll find a new one that looks like a magic wand. Tap that, and you have the power to reduce your time spent on that email to seconds. Then just type in what you want the email to be about. So imagine that you're leaving on a trip to Scotland, you're super busy packing, and you want your friend to come with you. Instead of writing a rushed email that will probably sound like you're begging them to come, just use the new Labs feature. And a little hack for situations like this, tell Gmail to write in a casual tone. This will make it sound less robotic. So get out there and enjoy the extra 13 hours, almost, of free time. Maybe watch a few more of my videos? Anyway, thanks everyone, and I'll see you next time.